I'm born in a Jain family, and we used to worship Lord Mahavira and Children's Tirthankars. Now I'm married for more than 10 years. After marriage, I also started worshipping Lord Ganesha. Recently, I learned from Sister Shivani from Bramhakumaris a very, very beautiful and powerful dimension of praying, and I never connected to Lord Ganesha in this way. And since I have started following this way of prayer, I feel so powerful and rejuvenated every time I bow down, and it takes just a minute. So if you really take a little effort to understand what I am saying, I bet on it, your life would be different and you would feel very, very, very powerful. See, in today's world, I believe that we need to balance the IQ and EQ, and I believe in having a very, very strong and powerful and high emotional intelligence, and this is a beautiful way to do that. So try doing your prayers this way. When you look at the idol, look at the head and say in your mind, "O Lord Ganesha, I now absorb the wisdom that you have," and feel that wisdom within you. Look at the eyes and say that I absorb the long-term vision that you have. I absorb that quality in you, and please bless me with that I have long-term vision and wisdom. Look at the trunk and say that I absorb that two beautiful and powerful contrasting qualities that you have. The trunk is so powerful that when time comes, it has the power to pluck an entire tree from its roots. And at the same time, you must have seen the trunk lifting a little child with love and putting on the back, or maybe a note that you must have given. So it is soft as well as powerful when needed. So I absorb those two contrasting qualities of being tough as well as soft. Please bless me with the same. The mouth is small, and that's a reminder to talk less. Ears are big, and they are wavy, so they are a reminder to choose to listen more with wisdom and filter the crack. So please bless me that I listen more and I listen wisely and I filter the crack. The stomach is large, and that signifies the quality of acceptance, of patience, and ask for that quality when you look at the stomach. That please give me power to accept, and power to be patient, and power to share wisely with people and my surroundings. You must have seen Lord Ganesha idol with 4 hands. One hand has axe. Look at it and say, that gave me the power to cut the links with my past. It has rope in the other hand. That is a reminder to be self-disciplined and be in the limits of your own core values. Ask for that power and wisdom to be always choosing the right path and not getting carried away by 5 senses and knowing your own limits of your own deep-rooted values. One hand is blessing, and that is the reminder that I am here to absorb the quality of power to give than take. So please bless me with the same. And one hand having sweet, and that says that with consistent practice of all the above, I will be blessed with fruits. But I here stay humble and don't eat my own fruits, but share it with the world. Legs, one folded and one on the ground, as a reminder to stay grounded always and practice all the above in today's world with you. And you must have seen the little mouse, which is a reminder of the daily distractions, small problems that keep on eating upon us. So power to rise above the petty matters. Please bless me with the power to rise above petty matters. Thank you.